Okay, now make sure that you've got all your kerfing in place and you've got your cutaway done and your sides are all smoothed and thickness the way you want. And we're going to get ready to put the top on. I'm going to start with some 60 grit paper and just a good sanding block, and just go over and make sure everything's nice and smoothed out. Get any rough spots, make sure you've got nice 90-degree angles here. And make sure that you've got nice smooth edges on those cross braces and around the upper part as well. And now these are just some spindle clamps that I've made. Make sure that you've got them long enough that they'll fit over the width or the thickness of the guitar body. Again, double check and make sure that everything's good, and go ahead and put your neck in place as well. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at the center line here. We've got the mark there on the cross brace lined up with our center point on the neck, and we want to make sure that that lines up. I'm going to put a little bar here just to show you how that lines up the length of the neck with that bottom block. And now when we glue it on, you won't be able to see that mark on the cross brace. So I'm going to put some tape here, and where my neck's in place, I'm just going to use that aluminum bar so that I can mark a center line there on the tape. And this way I'll have something to align the top of the guitar with. You'll see you're going to put that seam is going to line up with the seam on the top. Okay, and now we're going to start by spreading some glue around on the top of the kerfing and the block. And since we don't have the back on, you will have a chance to clean up any squeeze out from the back side once it's glued on. Again, make sure you've got everything lined up on your center line, and then start putting your clamps on. And again, double check your accuracy on the center line and put your clamps on the top to hold the whole top in place. Again, one good check to make sure everything's nice and straight on that seam. And then I'll start there in the, I guess what you'd call the waist, and just put clamps all the way around now. And here you can see it takes a good 20 to 24 clamps to go all the way around. And then you also want to put some clamps in there on the sound hole where that cross brace comes across. Make sure you've got a good joint there.